Hey guys, unbelievable, and welcome to my first multiplayer adventures with friends. But actually right now I don't have my friend with. So hey, there's a guy. Hey guy. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Get in the car. Oh shit.
I'm not home. My parents figured out that this video exists.
Let me in, you faggot.
I really don't care. My parents don't expect me to. I don't. The reason they don't like these games is not the fact that you keep killing
There
yourself.
is
They feel
random
like you're
guy speaking right here. Oh my god.
like the dude.
Oh no. Shit. Oh no 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 no.
If I can somehow
Go go
find
go
like
go
a
go go.
trailer that
There's a
proves
fucking tank.
like nudity or
There's a
anything,
fucking tank.
I'll be able to use GTA 4. But anyway, I know the game.
He just eliminated that guy. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna have to mute. It's unbelievable.
Hello. I'm unbelievable. Oh.
Are you a girl or a guy?
What's your gamer tag? I'll add you.
Don't worry about it. Are you a girl or a guy? Answer the question.
What?
Are you a girl?
No,
Or are
I'm
you a
not a
guy?
girl.
You're a guy? Alright, you're muted.
Yeah, I'm a guy.
Because you're really annoying now.
Yeah, my voice is like a girl. I know that.
Well, I don't care.
So, I'm recording a video.
You're recording. Okay, what's your YouTube?
And I'm gonna download this to YouTube.
I cannot understand a single word you're saying. It's annoying.
I am gonna download this video to YouTube.
Are you a troller or something?
I'm not a troller. Guys, you wanna add me? You wanna add me? Add me as a friend. I'll post this video on YouTube.
You're so fucking slow.
Be careful when driving, man. Are you serious? Cops, cops, cops. I hate cops.
What's that noise?
That's my Kinect.
Is that your microphone? Are you You're just like digging yourself in the hole right now.
Guys, can you make your voice louder?
No.
I cannot totally hear you.
Yeah, because you're not using the mic. Connect to a PC.
Get out, get out. Get in the chopper. Oh my god.
Like, no, you don't even know about Arnold Schwarzenegger, so you're wasting your money. Don't shut up. Okay, can't talk about access to
Sorry, sorry Yeti Club. Just the killer. I'm gonna add you as a friend.
I think I know what you're talking about.
Just the killer.
I'm gonna think you're trying to be intelligent.
Yeti Club. I'm gonna add you as a friend. And where's the Justify killer? There you are.
No, it's not really that important.
They're my friends now. Hey, Justify killer, where are you taking me? Where? What? Oh, don't take me. Don't take me there. Okay. I'm gonna be allowed.
Great, I don't even see him on the map. Where's the people? Oh my.
Oh, Oh fuck! Come on! Are you fucking serious? I just died.
This is a no over language lobby.
Yeah. I'm gonna kill this ass. And he's gonna die. Yeah, he died.
No vulgar language. This do not get.
No, I have no gun.
Oh, get that guy behind us.
What? That guy just disappeared.
Going after this guy. He's attacking us. He's attacking us. We're going after him.
Wait.
Everyone's annoying to join. Everyone's so
Hey guys, you wanna pick me up?
Give me a second. Alright, we're chasing him down. He's asking for it.
Guys, where are you? Gusto mo
There's that
upo ka dun sa
Everyone
upuan.
should be monkey.
Hindi ko rin matang ano to.
Hindi ka rin nangangawit.
Hindi. Tapusin mo na yan. Kakain na tayo.
Mamaya.
Hindi pa ako gutom eh.
We will get you.
You guys
Guys,
an helicopter?
I'm in a chopper.
You're not.
Blow that crap out.
Pick me up.
Ay.
Does somebody needs a help? Does anybody want some help? Ooh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm in a chopper. That's how we roll. Oh. What's your gamer tag again?
Why?
Justify killer.
Wait, stop.
Guys, say hello to YouTube. Guys, yeah. Guys, can you make your voice louder? Make your voice louder and make your voice clear. Make your voice louder and clear. Oh fuck.
Maybe if you had an actual decent mic, it would be loud and clear.
Let's go, guys. That's how we roll. Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna kill this guy.
Ah, what the heck? No, so he's telling me to do it my help. I'm not going to get it. Oh shit, is that
How can you get him?
Shit. Oh shit.
Oh wow, then you don't. Oh, never mind. Oh, lag.
Yeah, it's laggy. Don't worry, guys. I'm not gonna kill you.
Red, I'm red.
I am friendly.
Wait, what color are you? Oh,
My color is
then I could care less.
is brownish. My name is Unbelievable.
See, I told you he killed me, not me. I'm like, and actually,
Might want to have
What the? Oh my god, I'm gonna crash. Fatally.
yeah, I have to be outside.
I might hit you. Yeah, I did hit you. Oh, get in the chopper. Get in the chopper right now. Sorry. You better die, bitch. Oh no, don't kill me. I didn't mean that.
No.
I didn't mean to kill your friend.
You won't take me out. We're friends.
Yeah, he's already partnering with
Oh, no.
Justify killer.
Play that crap. You joined like, I was in the lobby,
Justify killer.
well, minutes as long as you. And we
Yeah, right. Doesn't matter if he's already my friend.
Outlook PARD.
Justify killer.
We're friends too.
Where the hell are you?
Along his way as well.
Oh no, he didn't have that.
Where is my friend Justify killer?
Freaking messed up. We flew together. In the passenger seat of the most glitched out car I've ever seen in my life.
Okay,
Like
Mom,
GTA.
I'll pick you up.
Wait lang, te. Wait lang. 15 minutes. 10 minutes pa lang. Guys, and after 4 minutes, I'm gonna end my video. And you wanna say hello to YouTube?
He starts going for me, I'm out.
You wanna say hello to YouTube?
Say hello to YouTube at least 20 times before you get me.
Guys, say hello to YouTube. What the? Oh shit! Off! Oh my god! He got me. What the f? Oh shit! Guys, you wanna say hello to YouTube?
If you say that one more time, I'm gonna pop the trunk.
Guys, wanna say hello to YouTube?
Alright, you're getting muted, you're annoying. Let's kick him. Everyone votes kick. Unbelievable, I swear. It's so annoying. Alright,
Are you killing me? Or don't kill me?
no, I'm not killing you, I'm kicking you.
Okay.
Go.
I'm pissed off. Oh. Somebody's trying to kick me. What the fuck?
Very inappropriate language. Yeah. That's the spirit. 5 pound C, kill me.
No, don't kill me. We're friends, man.
I'm not gonna kill you.
Nawala.
Yeah.
No, don't kill me. You suck.
Cancel my vote and kick me. But if you say hello to you one more time, gone.
Hey, what color are you?
Don't worry about
Where the hell is Justify Killer? Oh, he's right there. Guys, you wanna say hello to YouTube?
Yeah, I'm done.
Guys,
I'm gonna lose it.
say hello to YouTube. Why is everybody killing me? Come on, don't kick me. Don't kill me. What the? Okay, suck this. What the
Wala na.
guys, you wanna accept my friend request? Cause I'm gonna end this video. This the part 1. Okay, guys? You wanna say hello to YouTube? Suck this guy.
Yo, please, someone kick him. Come on. Yeah, all it takes is a lobby.
I wanna kick this guy.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you called me because you're failed.
Hey, can you invite me to the party?
Oh, you go down.
Okay guys, hello YouTube, and I'm back chatting with some friends, and I'm gonna end this part now. So thanks for watching, comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.